In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in and start a new report with Looker Studio, a powerful tool for creating insightful dashboards. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll need to navigate to Looker Studio and log in using your Google account. It's important to ensure that you use the correct account to access all your data sources effortlessly. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, you can kick off a new dashboard project by clicking Create and selecting Report. If you prefer, you can choose from a variety of templates that are readily available, which can give you a head start if you're looking for specific styles or layouts. It's also a good idea to give your report a meaningful name. This will make it much easier to find later, especially as your library of reports grows. Now let's move on to connecting your data sources. Think of a data source as the heart of your dashboard. It's where all the data you see originates from. Popular options include Google Sheets, Google Analytics, BigQuery, and even SQL databases. So, simply click Add Data or Create, and then Data Source to select the appropriate connector for your data. Don't forget to grant any necessary permissions if prompted, as this will ensure seamless integration. Once you've connected, you'll see the fields, both dimensions and metrics, populate in Looker Studio. Take a moment to review them. At this stage, you can rename any fields or adjust their data types to better suit your dashboard's goals. With your data sourced and ready, it's time to design the dashboard layout. Consider what metrics and dimensions you want to display. Metrics are typically numeric values, while dimensions represent categories or time periods. Decide whether your dashboard will be a single-page summary or a multi-page deep dive. Think about where each chart, table, or summary card will be positioned. Under Theme and Layout, you can set the canvas size and orientation to ensure everything fits perfectly and looks professional. Adding charts and widgets is next on the to-do list. When you click Add a Chart, you'll see choices like Scorecard, Time Series, Bar Chart, Pie Chart, Table, and GeoMap, among others. Drag your chosen chart onto the canvas and select the data source, dimensions, and metrics that best represent your data. For instance, you might pick Date for the dimension and Sessions for the metric. To enhance user interaction, include filters, breakdowns, and date range controls. Styling and formatting the dashboard is where your creative vision can shine. Use the Theme panel to select colors, fonts, and backgrounds that align with your brand or create a cohesive look. Customize each chart or widget, perhaps by showing compact numbers, altering borders, or alternating row colors in tables. Adding text boxes for headers and images like logos can further embellish your presentation. Finally, it's crucial to test, refine, and share your work. Alternate between edit mode and view mode to ensure the dashboard is polished and viewer-ready. Once satisfied, you can share your dynamic dashboard with colleagues or stakeholders, providing them with valuable insights at their fingertips. With these steps, you're all set to create your first robust, data-driven report in Looker Studio. Happy reporting!